Important safety precautions to take when handling hot oil. Always wear your PPE. First, we need to remove the current screen and filter support clip. Wash and set aside as you will no longer need these items when using Masterfill. Let's review all the products needed to install your Masterfill filter. New screen, Masterfill filter, compression cap, 12-inch clip with handle, and 17-inch clip with handle. When you first receive your Pitco kit, the filter assembly will be pre-assembled. Next is the installation process. Slide the new filter onto the screen. Take the compression cap and screw down securely. Fold the Masterfill fabric filter flap toward the bottom. Secure with the 17-inch clip on folded flap. Secure 12-inch clip on the other side of filter. Place filter assembly into filter pan. The pickup tube on the filter pan will mount onto the compression cap. Slide filter pan into fryer. Cleaning the Masterfill filter is a key step for success and an easy task to complete. First, you slide the filter pan out from the fryer. Disconnect filter pickup tube. Take the master scoop and scrape filter at a 90-degree angle, scraping debris to one side. Once the filter is scraped, scoop all debris and dispose. Ensure the bottom side of the filter is also scraped. Scoop all debris and dispose. Reconnect pickup tube and slide filter pan back into fryer. It is important to remember, Masterfill filters last for 7 days. Discard Masterfill filter, clean and dry pan, and replace with a new filter. Scrape filter twice a day to extend oil life. And do not get filter wet.